What?
It's a very sunny day.
A story about mutated sharks coming through the storms.
Care if it's true. Sharks flying in the sky. Stupid!
Guys, it's a shark. Help me!
Zippy! Wait! I'll come to you! Zippy, calm down. I'm gonna chop the leg off. Okay, I know. Stay strong. Stay strong, Zippy. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to put you down.
Cut.
That!
One.
I've been mauled by 20 sharks or more. Are you okay?
Really big deal. I'm fine. 2, 1.
Yeah. Get me up here!
Notice.
Get off me! Get off me! Zippy, zombified temporarily. She hit me with a fish. I'm limping. I'm limping. I need to find shelter. I need to find something. You! What do you want? A clone of me? Radiation from global warming created me. Look exactly like me. How's that possible? Radiation is a strange thing, boy. Strange things indeed. One way to stop this. I never thought it had to come to this. But sadly, it has to. Fall into the sky, then it will destroy all the radiation in the air. Fail. I guess the only thing to do is, defeat all the mutants! Done! Done!